Hi you guys, and welcome to my channel, and say hello to my husband.
Hello channel.
Jared, aka my husband, aka my hairstylist, to cover my gray hair. I have asked him to do this for me because I will not be able to likely do it myself very well, and I just thought it'd be fun for him to try. I do have my blonde part twisted up in a hair mask, so don't get the blonde stuff. Don't touch that near this blonde stuff.
Should have definitely practiced before we're going live here.
Yeah, we're totally going live. This is his alcoholic beverage. This is my non-alcoholic beverage. Been enjoying the Chick-fil-A half diet lemonade, half crystal, or half soda water. And instead we tried to make it at home. So I'm using Crystal Light packets with this AHA, is that what we say? AHA. Sparkling water, citrus, and green tea. It's not quite the same, but it's gonna do the same. I mixed those two together. Jared has gin, the Tanqueray Rangpur added to his, so it's a little bit more tasty than mine. Fun. Tasty and fun. So cheers to
your hair.
My hair. Don't mess this up. If he does, I don't really care. It's so messed up. I definitely need some hair care in my life.
All right, I'm just gonna go to town.
Yeah, that's what you do. You just cover the roots. So anywhere that you, like the root of the hair is what you want to cover. I probably have about this much growth at this point. So you want to at least get about that much of the hair covered.
I should have definitely watched the YouTube video, but fuck it, let's go.
You know where the gray is. You find it all the time. You pick it out.
But I mean, it's not the same.
And then you use these clips to like section it off. Use paint. Just paint. And we're off. Alright, so to make time go by, I also did a little couples Q&A bubble on Instagram. So we will see what people asked. I have not looked at this couples bubble question.
What about these fake gray things?
So the extensions, don't touch those.
Well, they're in the way.
Oh, well, move them.
Yeah, they're all over the place. I mean, how do you not touch them?
Oh, I don't know. Well, you're really just covering the roots, so don't worry about covering the ends. Okay. It's just a root cover.
Yeah, of course I went to root cover school, so I know what the hell you're talking about. God.
My hairstylist, Katie, is probably going to be pissed that I'm letting you tackle this, but...
Unless I nail it, she's going to be pissed.
Oh yeah, you could nail it.
Bye-bye grays.
So it's got to sit also for 40 minutes, which should, you know.
I'm just getting it in there.
Yeah, just get it.
Is that how they do? Is that how it feels?
I mean, they do more in sections, but it's okay. What is the most meaningful gesture, act, or gift that each of you have done for each other?
Dang. Do we do things for each other?
Do we do things for each other? Yeah. One of the biggest things that you do for me is help me run my business on the technology side, and you do that like consistently. I don't really have to like ask you to do things or make things more efficient. You just do them.
And then I show them to you.
And then you show them to me.
Hey, here's how you could. That's me trying to steal a little bit more of your time. Like, what if I made her a little more efficient? Maybe we can hang out more.
Maybe we can hang out more. But yeah, that's probably, and it's like a really selfless thing that you do that means a lot to me. What's the most meaningful gesture I've done for you?
I guess you let me experiment on your website and your business. It's kind of a fun hobby of mine.
But that's not my gesture to you.
You let me do it. It's your livelihood.
That's true. I'm finding out I don't do gestures apparently.
I think that's kind of a subtle hint. That was that one time. How about when you moved to West Virginia?
Yeah.
That was a decent one.
Yeah, I moved to West Virginia after never leaving the state or living anywhere else.
I think the actual gesture was sweeter when you like said that you were gonna move to West Virginia than the actual act of doing it.
Oh yeah, I mean I did it.
Yeah, no.
I did not follow through with it.
You love West by God.
I did. I loved our time in West Virginia. It was really cool. We were pretty much just there with each other for 9 months, about 9 months. But you weren't there that often because of your work schedule.
And then you got a brown dog.
Yeah, we got Hershey in West Virginia. I liked West Virginia. We lived in a really pretty area. Got all 4 seasons. We had like really pretty fall, really pretty winters, good summers, and that whole 9 months we were there, we just got to experience all of it.
We lived in the air-conditioned city, though.
What does that mean?
That's
I
what
didn't know that.
it's named for.
Oh, really? So air-conditioned city, okay. So somebody said, how often you wash your hair and how do you get it to always look flawless? It
does not look flawless ever.
It normally looks like a rat's nest on my head. And obviously...
You've only met her on social media, obviously.
You've only seen me on Instagram. Because normally it does not look very good. But I also don't wash my hair that often at all. Maybe once a week. I don't wash it often enough to know I haven't washed it.
And she has an in-home hairdresser also.
I do. I have an in-home hairdresser.
So that's pretty huge.
Oh, this is interesting. How do you deal with having an A-cup chest, but my BF likes women with large falsies on Insta? So somebody's looking for relationship advice from both of us, apparently. So how do you deal with my A-cup chest?
Well, maybe she's not specifically asking you. She's just asking for advice. Just sit down with both of them and find out if that's a game changer or what.
Yeah, is having big boobs a game changer? That would be...
No.
No? I didn't have my boob job until we had already been married, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, for like 2 or 3 years.
Yeah?
Yeah, I had little boobs when we got married, and they're littler now, honestly, than they were. Than we were.
About that.
Well, they're smaller than they were in college. I think my boobs were bigger in college before I lost weight.
But they weren't as playful though.
They weren't as playful.
They didn't have the bounce.
They didn't have the bounce.
Okay.
All right, you ready to section off?
I mean, it's done. I don't know what else you want me to do. I've painted your entire hair.
We gotta go on the other side now.
Yeah, I gotta go on the other side. That's about it.
So it's all saturated near the scalp.
Sure.
Okay.
I don't know. I mean, without any practice whatsoever and no knowledge of how this is going to turn out, it looks fine.
It looks fine. Okay. All right, so we're turning to the other side already. Well, I will say you're definitely more efficient time-wise than a hairdresser, but I don't know.
Maybe I'll have to do it again tomorrow. Who cares?
Okay. We have all the time in
plans?
the world. Do you have plans? No. You're the hairdresser. You flip
It's
it.
a lot easier because you don't have all those clips in there.
Well, and this will take longer on this side because there's more hair too.
It's not going to take longer.
Oh, okay.
I don't think you understand how easy this is.
Oh, okay. So somebody said, how do you want more fur babies? Do we want any more animals in the house? No.
We want to get rid of some.
No, we don't.
Yes, we do.
No, we don't.
I would definitely get rid of the cats if somebody wanted to buy them.
If somebody wanted to buy them.
Yeah.
That's awful.
It's not awful. They would go to a better home where like they weren't just sitting on their cat tower.
I know. They pretty much, before we got the dogs, the cats never would be up on the counters, and they would just like kind of do their own thing and sleep with us, and they cuddled with us. And then once we got the dogs, they just became like countertop cats, and they just stay up above the dogs now, and so they sit in their cat towers. They rarely are on the ground, but Coco will cuddle. But Buddha doesn't cuddle anymore at all. Like
we have enough. I mean, I don't need 4 animals running around crapping everywhere.
We already have 4 that puke randomly. Not a question, but I think the gray would look so good on you. What do you think, Jared? Do you think I should just let my gray hair show through?
I don't care that much. You have fake gray hair, and I'm getting rid of the real gray hair. It makes no sense.
That is so true. Oh no.
Oh no. Realization has come to me. Oh, when reality strikes.
Oh man. How did y'all meet?
Golf.
I was the beer cart girl, and he was the cart boy / golf manager, pro shop manager. We worked up our ranks as we worked at the same place and dated for, I guess, 3 or 4 years while we worked at the same place together. How many years?
I don't know. I don't keep track of that time.
Yeah, I know, it's kind of hard. We met each other when we were 19 or 20.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's been a long time. And I know we worked all through college there.
It's like a Disney movie waiting to happen. The golf pro and the cart girl.
We just need
timeless.
Timeless. Does Jared like the split part? Will you go back to one color?
It just depends. I like it.
Sometimes it looks like trash.
Yeah, I mean, it's fine.
Yeah. You wanted it to be blonder though. Not really?
I don't like the gray all that much.
Yeah.
Yeah, if that's what you were going for.
I was going for more blonde.
Yeah, it's a little too gray.
It's a little too gray. I would like to go full on, like.
It's different though. I mean,
Yeah.
you're with somebody forever. You might as well, I don't care if your hair is pink for a short spell.
Yeah. That's true.
Yeah.
Would you recommend someone get coaching? It's not a relationship.
Definitely. AudaciousAthletes.com.
Shameless plug. What's one song when it comes on you think of each other? I'll let you go first.
Oh. It's that Alicia Keys song.
Okay.
Or Explosive from Dr. Dre. Or Back That Thing Up from Juvenile.
Oh yeah, that's right. Those are probably my 3 too, but now I have to add Dance Monkey to the list.
Dance Monkey's funny too. Yeah. That's the
So,
newest and hottest.
That's the latest and hottest. Alicia Keys. Is it I've Got You? Shoot.
I don't know. Oh, I don't know then. Never mind.
I've Got You. I think it's Alicia Keys, I've Got
It
You.
is.
I've Got You. That was our wedding song. Back That Thing Up was a Juvenile song that played at, gosh, like we weren't 8:30 p.m. at our wedding when we specifically requested none of that kind of music come on just yet.
We didn't want to get turned up.
Yeah, we weren't
right
ready
away.
to turn up. We didn't want to
We
have.
hadn't even eaten dinner yet.
I think we were sitting down
Yeah.
at our like personal dinner when that
We
song
just
came on.
finished maybe or something.
Yeah, and we were like, oh no, this is the direction it's going. And then by 9 o'clock, your dad opened the bar, and he was like,
Oh, it might have been open by then.
it was open, and the wedding went in an entirely different direction than we had planned.
Oh, you remember our wedding?
Yes.
Oh.
And then the Explosive song by Dr. Dre is like both of one of our, well, it's probably not your favorite hip hop song, but it's definitely my favorite hip hop song of all
I was
time.
listening to Chronic 2000 before I met you.
Duh, it came out before you met
I
me.
know, but you didn't know what it was.
That's true. Yeah, so that's all the song that I did a really quick, those are all the ones that are related to relationship stuff. There's not,
Is it a relationship one?
I just put a random bubble after I already asked questions earlier in the day, so I probably screwed myself that way by having 2 question polls on my Instagram. What are you doing? Are you
Working it in.
Oh, okay. Look how much extra you have. This doesn't seem right.
How much are you supposed to put in there?
I mean-
Shit is hair dye, isn't it?
Like you didn't get to my crown yet. You gotta do my back of my head.
Why?
Cause there's gray back there too. You gotta
No,
get.
it's not.
You gotta get in my like part. There's hair. There's white hair all in there. There's white hair all in there.
Take this clip. What's this clip doing?
That is holding a hair that you're not supposed to get hair dye on.
Oh, okay.
Look at.
I see a lot of gray in there.
Yeah, but that's where my
Most of it.
part is. You gotta color that. It's root touch up too. So like you
I
gotta.
got you. I got you.
You've been really sparingly with this.
Have you ever dyed hair? I dyed my beard. It goes pretty easily,
Hmm.
and then it just gets in there.
Okay.
I don't know if it's the same stuff or not. I have no idea. But your hair looks black now. What are you wondering about? What are you wowing?
I'm baffled by the fact that there is so much left over.
I'll just paint some more in there then for you, just so you don't feel so weird, like I'm half-assing it here. Blacked out. You're gonna fall asleep though.
I know. This is my favorite thing, is to get my hair done and have somebody do this to my head.
Oh, is this what they do too?
No,
That's being nice.
she doesn't really do that. The technique is very different from what you're doing.
I'm nailing it though.
Nailing
I'll just
it.
in there. I'm about to open up my own salon school.
I wouldn't suggest that be your business
Why?
model.
What, girls that know
There's
my
definitely
hair?
some gray right there.
Where?
Right behind my ear?
I've gotten it.
Oh.
I already got that. That's what you don't understand.
Alright.
I'm quick with it.
I don't understand.
Plop! Kind of like just plopping it on there and using my hands.
Okay.
It's just easier. The brush just doesn't really get it in there.
Well, my hair doesn't really work with that kind of brush. Even the crown?
What's the crown?
The top.
Yeah, the top.
Yeah, like right there. That,
I
yeah.
got it. I see it.
Well, it's not just gray cover, it's root cover.
I got you. I didn't know that. You said gray.
Walking downtown and I'm okay.
You really just want like the whole hair
Done.
closest to my head.
The dump. I get
Yeah.
it. On the dump. I get it now.
Okay.
Chill.
The camera's so far away that I really can't even see what you're doing to me. because I have very bad vision anyways.
Yeah, my hands are on your head right now.
So in the viewfinder, I really can't even see what you're doing.
My phone's ringing.
Uh-oh. We can't touch it with those gloves on. Do you want me to answer it and put it to your ear?
I don't know. See who it is. Stop ringing, actually. Or maybe it didn't.
It definitely didn't.
Snapchat, that's a group chat. Don't answer that.
I can't answer that?
No, don't do it.
Who is it?
It's like all the Georgia guys. You better edit this out. This is editable, right?
Yes.
I am mission for my mama when I finally make it. Take all my vacations to Bahamas, always celebrating. Ever since my birth, I was the bomb, and now I'm detonating. No, you can't relate, you just can't relate. Every day I wake up like a boss, and I be thanking Jesus. Fake